Fwambo mapachoka Okwa Mondo koro obed anena e ong'ala manyime lando weche go mabende koro ok nyal biro thuo ganda e kinde yiero mabiro. Kaluwore kanyo kod jagoro e migawo mar tudruok kod lony manyasani migosi Yiero olero gigo ma ilando to kod ute mag fwambo ni nyalo biro yango katero Kenya kamarach kata kama ber. Yiero ne loso kinde mane koro oyuoro eneno kaka bende timo tiegruok na jotelo mag ute mag fwambo mago motendo e kanisa mar Katolika nyasi kata tiegruok mabende koro dhi nyime e boma ma Kisumu. Nosingo bende ni koro serikal biro dhi nyime to kod siro ute mag fwambo e timo tijegi e yor koro kwe ka giluwore kanyo to kod chike madwarore. Gin weche moser nyaka gi jata tije duol mano mar Media Council of Kenya David Moyo mabende koro noyuoro e nyasi ma kamano.
Processes and issues relating to election is the preserve of the Independent Electoral and Boundary Commission. So whatever the decision the IEBC has made, I think on their wisdom, they realized that it is important also to give opportunity for people to make also, I mean, the media houses, so to come up with their own reporting in terms of the tally. But I think it is then incumbent on us that we also tally the right information so that we don't create a situation whereby our tally will be different from another media house tally and another one, then that becomes the source and the beginning of conflict. I emphasize the fact that there is going to be only one Form 34A, which is basically the result from a particular polling station. Then, if that Form 34A is one and it's signed by all the agents, then I don't see any reason why we should be having two houses reporting different numbers on one Form 34A. So it is really incumbent on us that actually we get a hold of the physical Form 34A, and when we are reporting based on facts, because the beginning and the origin of conflict is when now we have two media houses talking about Kondele Primary School, for example, having two different numbers for a particular candidate. So what we are really emphasizing is that we really have a very important role in making sure that as we are tallying data based on correct information, verified and ascertained by ourselves, so that we don't create conflict.
I have a question for the CEO. MCK was to set up media stations.
Yes, we still hope that we will set up media centers. The media centers is basically a workstation, a place to allow journalists from a region to be able to file their stories, because it's not safe or conducive for journalists to file stories from hotel corridors and car parkings and all that. So yes, we have intention to set media centers, and we will announce them around the election, maybe from 2nd of August going up to around 15th, that period of, so about 14 days thereabout, we will set up media centers in Nairobi and across the regions, so that we can allow journalists, those based in the regions and those traveling from out of the country or from Nairobi to the regions, to be able to get a safe working environment.
Santeni.
Yes. I really want to buy his idea that the church has taken up, the voice of the church is being heard now. I'm happy they're able to recognize that. And it's like we may not have taken it up like the secular media. The voice of the church, the voice of the bishops make it heard. And probably you do not know how this came about. Mr. Moyo disappears. We were challenged by the secular media. We had a meeting with them, and they asked us, what happened to the likes of Bishop Ndingi, Muge of Eldoret, and the like? What happened? Where did these voices go? Okay, our Archbishop was around, and he said, yeah, they spoke during their time, and we speak during our time. And we had a breakfast meeting, the Archbishop explaining exactly what happened between that the voice of the church lost it. What happened? And we had a breakfast meeting, Mr. Moyo, and we said, here we are, there's not a blame game. The church failed, secular media failed.